beautiful souls. This is Monica Agarwal from Divine Center Path Towards Spirituality. You're welcome to my YouTube channel, which is Tarot Card Reader Monica Agarwal, and you're also welcome to my Instagram, which is Tarot_Reader_Monica. So as I bring every year something new or something unique to you, in the year 2022, I am launching a very extensive course of tarot. We already have 4 versions of tarot courses, whereas the first one is the basic, where you will read the reading from the Rider-Waite. Second one is a combination of 4 courses which has the angel reading, Rider-Waite reading, astro remedies and crystal healing. Third one is the tarot professional, which is a 3-deck reading plus spellcasting plus astro and crystal remedies. And the fourth one is the combination of 10 courses where we have the numerology, spellcasting, mojo bags, angel card reading, crystal healing, astro remedies, Rider-Waite reading and oracle readings. Now, on a special demand, I will be launching one extended version of a tarot card reading, which will be called as a tarot reading specialist, which definitely does not include the remedies part, but it would focus on the various types of cards reading as a reading specialist and a counseling specialist. So what we will be going to do in this course, this will be a complete, I will be launching this course as a complete 2 months course, which has 2 classes in 1 week, and we will be learning and using at least 10 decks. Yes. Starting from the Rider-Waite as a basic deck, then moving on to oracle decks, and then moving into the Indian ancient deck, and then moving into angel card readings deck, and then moving into some kind of yogic decks and other decks. I will be helping you in selecting 10 wonderful decks, and you will be learning the readings from each and every 10 decks. So the purpose of this course is to make you a reading and a counseling specialist, where you don't need to look around here and there to learn the reading from each new deck. In this course, I will be helping you out in selecting 10 various different kind of energies in the decks, and after this course you would be a reading specialist, and in this entire world you can pick up any deck which you get attracted to you in the future and can read from that deck. So I will be definitely giving you the attunements of all these decks. Decks would be suggested by me, but you will select which deck you are attracted to, and then you can order the decks and we can start this course. So if you want to join this course, we can start it on the Google Meet, FaceTime and other video platforms. So I hope you are happy with this new course, and I hope many of you would be already excited to join this course. In the description section, my numbers are given. You can contact me on WhatsApp and book your courses. Rest of the other courses are already open for the bookings as like other times. So you can still have a choice to book the tarot professional courses, tarot grandmaster courses, tarot advanced courses, tarot card reading, numerology, coffee cup reading, runes, angel therapy, reiki and many more courses. You can go to the website and choose the course of your choice and can have a booking. And also we will be having a reading bookings also open over the video classes and the phone sessions. Thank you so much.